Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. And we are out here, we're fishing again, doing some streamer stuff, meeting up with my good friend Dan Collins from Hardway Outdoors. Super excited. It's been a while since I've seen him, and deer season, archery season is about to start, so once that starts, typically he becomes dead to me. He's a gung-ho deer hunter. He truly loves it. He's really passionate about it. I give him crap about it all the time, but I know how much he loves it, and it's crazy when you know Dan, how much he loves to fish, and that he's literally not going to fish for months and months on end as deer season and shed season approach. But I think this is the last weekend before deer season starts here in Pennsylvania, so I got one more weekend left with Dan, and we're going to try to make the best of it. So I got a little bit of a late start this morning. I was going to try to fish a couple hours this morning before he got here. Unfortunately, slept through my alarm, but he's going to meet me here in about 20 minutes or so, so we're just going to wait around until he comes and just hang out. But stay tuned. Should be good. I'm really excited. Should have a couple of days fishing here for you, and maybe we'll get on one of those big browns I've been after, but we'll see. We're currently anticipating Dan missing a nice brown. Dude, what was that? That was worse than me in the beaver dam.
Dolphin rising.
Dude, like that's his fillet right there.
Yeah, Tyler ripped a treble hook through his back.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're back. Probably didn't see a whole lot of footage from yesterday because yesterday was an absolute grind. Dan and I fished so hard all day, and I think we caught 6 fish, many of which were not what we were looking for. We were looking for the big boys, getting a little greedy with size, but throwing bigger patterns. I think we fished like 4 streams, and we ended up hiking like 7 miles, and fished all the way till dark, hiked out in the dark, so we were both pretty tired. But I had an opportunity at a big 22-inch brown. We rolled up to this hole. Dan goes, "This hole up here looks really good, but it's not." He had fished a section before and didn't have any luck out of that hole. I plopped a half-hearted cast in there.
All right, so what I just
sure
did,
enough,
I just
that's
cut
where
off
the
my
big boy
streamer,
was.
switched out reels.
And I missed
This is
him.
my my ear nipping setup.
I had my opportunity at a big boy yesterday.
At Cortland,
come
4
through,
carbon,
but
and
it's all right.
crayfish.
We had a good time.
I'm gonna tight line this crayfish.
Back out again this morning.
Had a
Looking at some
couple
overcast
takes,
skies right now.
3 or
I'm
4,
really
like that.
praying for some rain.
But
Flows were less than
it's been
ideal
slow.
yesterday,
And
they were really
it's been
low.
slow, and
Water's still super cold.
fish haven't
so
been cooperating the way I like last 2 days. So we're gonna switch it up. I've always wanted to try this method for trout.
Fish are gonna relax.
We've done it for bass
They're
before.
gonna come out of their hiding spots.
Some
They're gonna be a
success,
little
but
more
we're gonna
aggressive.
try it.
So
See what we can do on these troutsies,
hoping,
and still got a lot of daylight left.
Never
So
hope
we'll
as
see if
much
we can
as
make
they
it
get
happen.
poured on. But we're gonna see what happens, and we're gonna give it a go.
Alright, so things have gotten desperate, and not super desperate, but I'm ready to catch some fish, let's just say that. And I've fished for about, let's see, 9 hours yesterday, started at 8 today, till about 13 hours, you can call it one fish. All that was streamer fishing. I just did some small stream fishing with crayfish. Some nice fish in there, they're all super spookish. Not really interested in anything I was throwing. So we're switching back, got the nymphing rod out, and we're gonna see if we can get on some fish. I'm ready to feel the tug again, and I'm a little antsy, I'm not gonna lie, but we definitely put in a lot of work with the streamer gear. I missed a big brown this morning and missed one yesterday, so the opportunities were there, just didn't connect. But I'm ready to catch some fish, and let's see what happens. I got the old mott fly on, so don't judge me. There's a wild brownie on the mop fly. Yeah, buddy. Wild brownie. That's the same hole I missed a big brown out of yesterday. This is definitely not him. But where'd he go? Well, decided to walk out. Probably gonna head back home. It's kind of been a cluster of a weekend. Partially because conditions were less than ideal. You know, we still had the opportunities. Definitely wasn't what I expected going into the weekend. I had heard of good flows and whatnot, so I was pretty hopeful, and thought there was a good chance at least one of us would get on a big fish. Unfortunately, neither of us did. Ended up catching a couple this afternoon on the old mott fly, just to get rid of the skunk. But you know, we had a blast. Like I said, I always love fishing with Dan. It's a beautiful time to be in the outdoors. The color on the leaves is amazing. I got Dan took some photos of that. But it's a great time. You know, not a whole lot of fish, but hey, that's fishing. It's not catching, it's fishing. And hope you enjoy, and we'll be back soon enough.